Hey guys, just keeping it real today. You know, something that I'm really passionate about is music. Music can really change a person's mood. I find that for myself, if I'm feeling down or depressed or annoyed or upset about something, I can turn to music and it will change my mood. I can listen to one of my favorite upbeat songs and I find that my mood brightens up quickly and that I can focus better and just have a better outlook on life. I love almost all kinds of music. There are a few genres that I don't quite understand very well, so I don't do too well with. But I do love music, and I love how it just brings peace to my heart when I need it. It brings clarity to my mind when I need it. It helps me focus, helps me get myself reset and back on track. And I just love to be able to turn on some good music and just get myself in the mood that I need to be in, whether that's to be focused, to do something, or whether that's to find peace and calm in my life, or whether that's to get motivated, whatever the case may be. I find that I can turn to music to help me with that. They say music soothes the savage beast. Well, I think we all have some part of a savage I think we all have some kind of savage beast inside of us, whatever form that may take. And I really feel like music just helps soothe that and really just speaks to my soul. I just feel the music and can feel the uplift that I get from listening to good music. And whatever form it may take, whether there's classical, sometimes I'm in the mood for classical music. Sometimes I want modern music with an upbeat vibe to it, or sometimes I want something from my past that brings back memories and helps me return to those thoughts and feelings. That's something else that music does, is helps me remember and relive those important events, those life-changing things that I went through when I was younger that helped shape who I am today. And it helps me remember that, to listen to those songs again and relive those moments from the glory days, as they may be. But I just love music, and I want to share that with you guys, and hopefully you can relate to that and find a love of music in your own life too, because I know it means so much to me to be able to have music in life, and I'm so grateful for everyone that makes music. Thank you to everyone for that, and I appreciate your contribution to this world. It is much needed, if you ask me, especially in this day and age. I wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks. Something else that I'm really passionate about is my grandchildren. I love my children. I'm grateful for them, and they're a blessing in my life. But my grandchildren are indeed a special blessing in my life. I'm grateful to have my little Mila and my little Jack in my life. Those are my two grandchildren right now, and they bring me such joy. When little Mila runs up to me and throws her arms around my neck and gives me a hug, she calls me Grammy, and she says, "Hi, Grammy." And we're getting to the point now where I can say, "I love you, Mila." And she says, "I love you, Grammy." And it means something to her, and it means something to me, and it speaks to my heart. Grandchildren are the best thing ever. I highly recommend that, if possible, you get yourself some. Yes, you do have to raise your children to get to grandchildren, but it is a special, sweet, wonderful blessing to have the pure love of a sweet little soul that comes into this world and just loves you automatically because you are their grandparent. And it's such a sweet thing to feel that automatic love back that I feel for my grandchildren. I love them dearly. They are such a blessing in my life, and I'm grateful to get to spend time with them, to be around them, to watch them grow up and experience all the things that they learn. It's like the best part of raising children without all the stress that you don't need. So it's wonderful. It's a true blessing in my life, and I'm so grateful to get to be a grandmother and to live close to my grandchildren. They bring me great joy in my life, and I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you know that they're a big part of the reason why I do all the things that I do every day. And I just leave that with you and hope that you can appreciate the people in your life who love you and get to be a grandparent again. And you can get to be a grandparent someday too.